Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit photos in the stock gallery on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a picture. So I'll open up the camera and take a picture of this flower right here. Now it's a fresh photo. I did not change anything. The exposure is the same. And now what can we do? We can open up our gallery, which is the photos, and now select our flower right here. So here we have to click on those three lines. Now go over to adjust, and here we can do it automatically. So we can do it like that, or we can go and change everything for ourselves. So we're gonna start off with the exposure. Now brilliance, I'm gonna change it to -29. Highlights, we're gonna boost them a bit. Here we also have the shadows. We can either try and remove them or make them bigger. It's totally up to us. And the contrast is also here. So as you guys can see, we can have a lot of fun changing those settings. So here we also have the saturation, so we can change how the colors are saturated. Here we have the vibrancy, so it will also boost our colors. And we have the warmth, we have the tint, sharpness, definition, noise reduction, and the vignette. So as you guys can see, now we can click done. And this is how our picture looks like now. So I think I did a great job, and as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. This is how you guys can easily edit your photos, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.